put it here. And then you can see the water, and if you want to taste it, you can taste it. It's so sweet and salty. I'm not sure you have apple juice, and you put it down here because you can. Wait for a minute. And have this, and then you can even do like put this on and decorate this, and it will be your decorator, and it tastes good. And you can water salt here or pour it down. When you're finished, you pour it down.